In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Display. Then scroll down again to click Easy Mode option and click on this switcher next to Easy Mode to activate it. Then wait and adjust all of those options however you want to. Touch and hold Delay and High Contrast Keyboard. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, Easy Mode was successfully enabled. If you want to go back to your standard one, access the same settings and use no blue switcher next to Easy Mode. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!